Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Did I discuss compound and main doubts already to some extent, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Little bit.
Yes,
I
sir.
remember
Sir,
discussing.
fourth one once again can you explain? So you already explained once again.
I told you to apply component or dividend.
Oh, yes. Sir. Okay.
Right, tan is sin by.
Yes.
Did I discuss 10th one?
Yes, sir. 10th one is done.
Okay, 12th one also I think we completed,
Yes,
right?
sir. You done.
Okay, maybe 14 onwards.
Yes,
Yeah, you
sir.
can see 14th question on the screen. Anybody any doubt? Anybody any doubt about 14th question?
No, sir. Sir, also
Right.
12th one not yet discussed, sir. 12th up to 10th we completed, sir. 12th one.
12th one, I think I told you to write sin by cos, apply component to dividend. I done right 12th one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You
Okay.
done.
Okay, 14. Anybody any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Anybody want to tell how to do 14?
So just we can represent alpha and in beta in condition of beta, and we can substitute it, sir. After that, we should use the tan even is the formula, and we can find the value.
Yes, correct. Yeah, in the place of beta, you can write alpha minus 3 pi by 4. Use tan minus b formula, simplified. Things will get cancelled. Okay. Anybody doubt about 16? No.
No, sir.
Okay. See, other people are there. If you have doubt, you should ask. After some time, don't ask, sir, I have doubt about 14, 16. I'm asking one by one. First of all, everybody turn on your videos. Lot of videos are off. Mostly videos are off. Krishna Kaushik, have you tried these questions? Is your mic working now? Krishna Kaushik.
Sir,
Yes, who is this?
sir, can I try submultiple angles, sir?
Yeah, you can try. Those who don't have doubts, you can try IP60 if that is completed. Multiple submultiple mains questions you can try, or IP you can try. Okay, some more people joined. Please join in time. Okay. Anybody still doubt about? I'm going one by one again. 14th question. Anybody doubt? No. Okay, 16. Even though somebody might not have doubt, let us discuss a little bit. I'm not writing, but alpha is between 90 to 180. Beta is between 180 and 270. Tell me alpha plus beta will be between what to what?
So
Fourth quadrant, sir.
Fourth quadrant, sir.
No. It is between fourth and first also. Because 180 plus 90 is 270. And what about 180 plus 270? 450.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. So 270 to 450. If you take the circle thing, that is this. This is 270. This is 360. This is 450. So it is fourth and first. You should not forget that. Okay. So answer is not fourth quadrant or first quadrant. Otherwise, why they have to give these values? They don't have to give these values, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we understood alpha plus beta is in fourth or first quadrant, that much. But after that, we could not decide. Right? Now,
Tan alpha plus beta is coming negative, sir. So that we can say that it is fourth quadrant.
yes, you find tan alpha plus beta or sin alpha plus beta. It will come negative. Among the fourth and first quadrant, in first quadrant they will be negative, so they have to be in fourth quadrant. If I find cos alpha plus beta, it is useless. Why it is useless?
Because in first and fourth, they both are positive. on
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we will not be able to differentiate between them, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anybody doubt about 18?
No, sir.
Yes,
No doubt,
sir.
sir.
Okay. 18, you take all of them equal to k. When I ask anybody has doubt, if it is no, you don't have to tell. Okay. If it is yes only.
Sir, 18th one I had doubt, sir.
Yeah. So 18, x by cos theta is equal to y by cos theta minus 2 pi by 3 equal to z by cos theta plus 2 pi by 3. You take equal to k. Okay. When you take equal to k, you will get x is equal to k cos theta. Let me directly write x plus y plus z. If I take this and this, x will be k cos theta. If I take this and this, it will be k cos theta minus 2 pi by 3. This and this, k cos theta plus 2 pi by 3. If I take k common, I will get cos theta plus cos theta minus 2 pi by 3 plus cos theta plus 2 pi by 3. I told you can easily remember it is 0. I told you on a particle if 3 forces are acting with all angles 120, 120, 120, net force is 0. Means sum of the horizontal components is 0. If this angle is theta, this horizontal component is cos theta, this is cos theta plus 120, this is cos theta plus 240 or cos theta minus 120. It is 0. You can remember that way. Otherwise, it's simple only. Cos theta plus cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. 2 cos a cos.
2 cos A cos.
You will get 2 cos theta cos 2 pi by 3. This is cos 120, it will be minus of. So you will get cos theta plus 2 cos theta into minus of.
0. Understood.
2 and 2 will cancel, cos will cancel, you will get 0. Only just somebody may think what to write x and what to write y. Take equal to k, the whole thing is easier.
Sir, one doubt. Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, here x, y, and z, when we are adding the denominators, we directly took them.
I took equal to k, na? I brought this one here, this one here, this one here.
Oh,
X is equal to k cos theta, y equal to k cos theta minus 2 pi.
like that, sir. Understood.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, 20.
Actually, yeah, 20 you can do by trigonometry, where we can take x equal to tan a, y equal to tan b, z equal to tan c, tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan a equal to 1. From that you can prove a plus b plus is 90 degrees. But it is unnecessarily lengthy. There are some questions like this where when you look at the question, there is no trigonometry. It is an algebraic question only. Algebra question. But using trigonometry, they can be done easily. But this one, using algebra only become easier. So I am not planning to tell a method by using trigonometry. They gave
Sir,
x,
we'll
y.
write it on the board.
Yeah, I'm writing. xy plus yz plus zx equal to 1. I'll send xy that side. Yz plus zx is equal to 1 minus xy. Everybody completed 18?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, I am sending this xy to the other side. Take z common, I will get x plus y is equal to 1 minus xy. Divide x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to 1 by z. So now if you take sigma x plus y by 1 minus xy, it is sigma 1 by z, means 1 by z plus 1 by y plus 1 by x. If you take LCM here, you will get xy plus zx plus yz by xyz, and the numerator is 1. You will get 1 by xyz. Okay, so that's why this is equal to 1 by xyz. It is very easy. I can do by trigonometry. but I think it's not necessary. Later on, we'll come across some questions where algebra questions using trigonometry is easier. I don't think anybody will have doubt about 22. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
You
sir.
proved, sir, like in a triangle, it's same as 0 degrees.
Yeah.
Same
Yeah. Yes. You can apply directly tan and see that side of now. Okay. 24. Anybody any doubt?
Sir, I have, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I'll discuss. Okay. 24. Actually, we don't know tan 3x and cot 3x formula while doing this because it's given in compound angles, right?
Yes.
So we don't need to use them. Without using them also, it can be done.
Sir, after submultiple multiple angles formula only I did, sir. I didn't get it.
But actually, without that is more easier. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to write this tan as 1 by cot. So this will become 1 by cot 3x minus 1 by cot x plus 1 by cot 3x minus cot x. If I do this and take this up simplification, I'll get cot 3x into cot x by cot x minus cot 3x. This is minus enough. So if I want to make it plus, I have to let me keep it minus. In the next step, I will make this into plus. But because of that, this will become reverse. I'll get 1 by cot x minus cot 3x. So it is cot 3x into cot x plus 1 by cot x minus cot 3x. It looks like cot A, cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A minus B formula. So you will get cot 3x minus x is cot 2x. So somebody may write cot as 1 by tan, it's okay. Or you write tan as 1 by cot. Either way, you'll get same answer. So we don't have to use any multiple submultiple angle formulas here.
Sir,
Yes, please.
I have done another method.
You want to write sin by cos?
No, sir. They have given a plus b plus c equals to 360 degrees. No, sir.
We are talking about which question?
26.
26. So we are not yet come there. We are discussing
Sorry.
24. Okay.
Sir? Sir, from the second step to third step, you took minus common.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
From here to here, I took minus common.
Yes, sir.
If you want me to increase one step, I can write here minus of cot x minus cot 3x. This minus became plus.
So 26 and 28 are relatively easy, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anybody doubt about 26?
No, sir.
No. In fact, you divide with 2, a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is 3, say 180. Whenever x plus y plus z is equal to 180, tan x plus tan y plus tan z is same as tan x into tan y into or tan z. You can prove some way. That is, we already proved.
Same for 28, sir, but here we should bring that C
We'll
plus
talk
D
about-
to
okay,
this side,
okay.
sir. 360 minus C
It's okay,
minus
it's okay. See, sometimes I ask you at the time we tell because it is also because some people may have a doubt, right? Yeah. Because normally I don't want to displace any student if they want to tell how to do a question, but sometimes we may not have time for that. Okay. 28, anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay. 30th question. Anybody has doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
30th, you can take a plus b plus c plus d equal to 360 because quadrilateral you can send c plus d that side or d that side and apply tan on both sides. Or directly tan a plus b plus c plus d also there is a formula. Okay, this is I think 30 or something like that. A plus b plus c plus d equal to 360. If somebody wants, they can write a plus b equal to 360 minus c plus d, apply tan on both sides, do cross multiplication, you get it. Or you can write a plus b plus c equal to 360 minus d, apply tan on both sides, you get it. If not, directly I'll apply tan. Tan a plus b plus c plus d is equal to tan of 360 degrees. This formula is S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2 plus S4. What is that? S1 means sum of the single things. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C plus tan D. What is S2 means? Two things. Tan A tan B, tan A tan C, tan A tan D, tan B tan C, tan B tan D, tan C tan D. Like that. S4 means product of 4 things. S3 means product of three things. But tan 360 is 0. Then this denominator you will get S1 minus S3 equal to 0. That is S1 equal to S3. But what is S1? Tan A plus
Tan A plus tan
B
B plus tan C plus tan D.
Yeah. S3 means three things you have to multiply. So tan A into tan B into tan C, tan A into tan B into tan D, and tan A into tan C into tan D, and tan B into tan C into tan D. Here D is missing, here C is missing, here B is missing, here A is missing. If from all these things, if I take tan A, tan B, and tan C, and tan D common, then here I will be left with 1 by tan D. Here I will be left with 1 by tan C. Here I will be left with 1 by tan B. And in the last one, I will be left with 1 by tan A. So that is tan A into tan B into tan C into tan D into cot A plus cot B plus cot C plus cot D. You divide here, this by this equal to this. So we will get tan A plus tan B plus tan C plus tan D by cot A plus cot B plus cot C plus cot D is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C into tan D. I wrote these things, I did not use it. That is, if somebody doesn't remember this formula for 4 things, you know at least for formula for 2 things and formula for 3 things, at least you know. You apply tan on both sides, do cross multiplication. Apply tan on both sides, do cross multiplication, you will get answer. If you are able to remember 4 things, I am doing that.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, what's the meaning of S4, sir?
S4 means 4 things product. Tan A into tan B into tan C into tan D. S1 means product of single things, their summation. S3 means product of three things, their summation. S2 means product of two things, their summation.
Sir, as
Yes, please.
tan 360 degrees is 0 and denominator cannot be 0, we equated S1 minus S3 equal to 0 now, sir.
Yes, or the denominator I sent to RHS, 0 into anything is 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay. LHS denominator you multiply to RHS. Anyway, if you want a by b to be 0, a should be 0 and b should not be 0. Right?
Sir,
Hmm.
so for normal question, sir, in intermediate are we having logarithm, sir?
In intermediate, logarithms is not there, but it is there for mains and advanced.
Okay, sir.
We will teach sometime. In which course we taught something, but we will functions. When calculus starts, just before that we'll teach one.
So 30-second one.
Yeah, 30-second one actually should be given in the next exercise, multiple submultiple angles, because cos square a minus sin square b is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. You'll get cos 60 into cos 36. You know cos 60 is 1/2, but you don't know cos 36, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we will study in multiple submultiple angles. You can skip 32 for the time being. Okay.
Sir, it can be written as cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b.
Yeah, that only after the cos 36 value you should know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Skip 32 for the time. Okay. 34.
Relatively easy one.
Anybody doubt about 34?
No,
Today
sir.
after this, you have doubt. Okay.
Sir, are you speaking anything?
What?
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
You're not able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir,
We are able to hear.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
After today's class, I'll ask you to submit this even number solutions in class plus app. I'll send the, I'll put up the assignment.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 34. 0 less than or equal to alpha less than equal to pi by 4 and 0 less than equal to beta less than equal to pi by 4 and cos alpha plus beta is 4 by 5 and sin alpha minus beta is 5 by 13.
no, sir, I'm now able to listen.
Okay. If alpha is between 0 to 45, beta is between 0 to 45, alpha plus beta will be between what to what?
Sir, 0 to 90.
0 to 90.
0 plus 0 is 0, pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2. Okay. Let us see if somebody can tell this correctly. Alpha minus beta will be between what to what?
Sir, minus 1 between minus means like minus 2 less than
Sir,
0.
whole, sir.
Always 0 to 0, always 0.
No, sir, not 0 to 0, sir.
Sir, in the
0
third
is the
quadrant,
maximum limit, sir.
I'm
Sir,
asking,
maximum 90 and minimum minus 90.
how can it be 90? Alpha minus beta, how it will be 90? Tell me. When it will be? What should be alpha? What should be beta for it to be 90?
sir. Sir, it
Sir,
should
sorry,
be
sir,
in-
maximum 45 and minimum
Sir, maximum 40.
Sir, it is in third quadrant, sir.
Forget about which quadrant and all. Alpha is between 0 to 45, beta is between 0 to 45, alpha minus beta is between what to what?
Sir, maximum 45 and minimum minus 45. Sir.
Yes. If you want difference of two things to be
Yes, sir.
maximum, this should be maximum, this should be minimum. Pi by
If
4
alpha
minus
is
0,
maximum-
pi by 4. If you want it to be minimum, this should be minimum, this should be maximum. 0 minus pi by 4 minus pi by
Minus
4.
5 by 4. Yes.
Even though it is correct, I want to say alpha minus beta is between 0 to pi by 4. Anybody want to say why? Because of this. Why?
because sine alpha minus beta is positive, which is possible in only first and second quadrant.
Yeah.
And here cos is also positive. Okay, sir, yes, sir.
Forget about cos, that is alpha plus beta. Okay, that's first quadrant anyway positive. Okay. Alpha minus beta minus pi by 4 to 0 means fourth quadrant, 0 to 45 means first quadrant. But I should take only first. I should not take the fourth because sign is not negative, sign is positive. Okay, since sine alpha minus beta is greater than 0. Okay. Now, I can take a triangle like this. This is alpha plus beta. 4 here, 5
It's
here,
11:26 a.m. now.
Sine alpha minus beta. This is 5, this is 13, this is 12, this is alpha minus beta. One more thing that you should get an idea here is they wanted 2 alpha. 2 alpha can be written in terms of the given angles as alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Okay. Tan
Yes,
A
sir.
plus, because that is, now we can use tan A plus B. Here beta will cancel, we'll get 2 alpha. But now you know this separately. You can write tan alpha plus beta plus tan alpha minus beta by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta into tan alpha minus beta. What is tan alpha plus beta from that figure? 3 by 4. And what is tan alpha minus beta from this? 12 by 5. By 1 minus 3 by 4 into 12 by 5. If I do cross multiplication, 15 plus 48 by 20. 20 minus 36. Am I right here? Tan alpha plus beta is 3 by 4 and tan alpha minus beta is, I wrote this wrong. Okay. 5 here, 12 here. Yeah. This is 5 by 12. Okay, you'll get 36 plus 20 by 4 into 12 and 48 minus 15 by 4 into 12. 4 into 12 cancel, I'll get 56 by 33, which is positive. Okay. Also or not, they wanted value, right? So tan 2 alpha is 56 by 33.
Sir, can you explain alpha minus beta again, sir? Considering the maximum and minimum value.
Yeah, if you want difference of two quantities to be maximum, first quantity should be maximum, second quantity should be minimum. Maximum value of alpha is 45 and the minimum value of beta is 0. 45 minus 0, maximum will be 45. Right?
Yes, sir.
If you want alpha minus beta, difference of two quantities should be minimum. First quantity should be minimum, second quantity should be maximum. So alpha minimum is 0, beta maximum is 45, 0 minus 45. So one time 45 minus 0, another time 0 minus 45. That's why it is between minus 45 to plus 45. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, here 4 plus 2 LCM, you directly do 4 into 12. We can take like 9 plus 5 by 12 because
I would have taken that, but anyway I have to cancel out the denominators.
Oh,
Numerators, denominator. So whenever, not only in the future also, whenever tan A plus B is there, you don't have to take LCM of the two fractions. Directly do cross multiplication because anyway you're going to cancel denominator.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Even though it is a small thing, but I think it will save a little bit of time. Anybody still any doubt regarding 34?
No, sir.
Okay. Numerical second question. Anybody any doubt?
Sir, one doubt, sir. Means like
Yes.
not in this question, sir. Normally, sir, when square is given like this thing only, sir. A plus B, sine square A plus B normally we can expand and we can write square to sine and cos like that or something. This is this.
No, it's normal algebra. A plus b whole square, how you do it? A square plus b square plus 2ab. That's all.
Oh,
Numerical second question. Anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Nandakishore, completed numerical second question? Nandakishore? Sridat, you completed numerical second question?
Sir, yes, sir. So now, yes, sir.
Okay. Ashanti, have you Ashanti, you completed numerical second question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashita, you completed numerical second question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Numerical fourth question. Anybody any doubt? No.
No, sir.
Okay. Numerical 3 and 5, did I discuss in this class?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So total even number. Anybody still any doubts left?
Sir, once 12th question, once you can explain again.
This tan you write sine by cos. This part you write cos by sine. You will get k is equal to, or let me write, you will get 1 by k is equal to cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 by sin theta 1 into sin theta 2. Now we apply component to dividend. You will get 1 plus k by 1 minus k equal to cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 sin theta 2. That is actually
Okay.
cos theta 1 minus theta 2.
Okay, sir.
And numerator minus denominator will be this. So answer will be this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other doubt in even numbers? Anybody in mains material?
Sir, 10th one.
Sir,
Why, what happened? Yes, please.
numeric.
10th one, you're not there when I explained, or what you take 203 plus 22 is equal to 245.
Sir,
225, sorry. And 225 you can write, sorry, okay.
sir.
Okay. 203 plus 22, you can write it as 225. 225 is 180 plus 45. Okay. Now we apply tan on both sides. This will become minus tan plus 1 only. This will become tan 23 plus tan 22 by 1 minus tan 203 into tan a plus b formula. Do cross multiplication, you will get this is equal to 1 or something.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, somebody asking any other doubts in even number?
Sir, numerical third one I am not getting.
Numerical third one. I think I discussed in the class. On the day when exam doubts something I discussed, when little time was there, did I discuss or no?
You discussed, sir.
You discussed.
Both 3 and 5 you discussed.
Okay. What is this? Basically, A is obtuse angle. Okay. We have to find only tan A, tan B separately, then nothing much. So, okay. Cos A is minus 3 by 5. From that, what is tan A? Construct a triangle. This is A. Adjacent side is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. This is 4. Tan A is 4 by 3. Positive or negative? Negative, because angle A is obtuse. Sin B. Construct a simple triangle with this angle as B. This is 7. Sorry, no. This is 7. This is 25. So, this will be 24. So, tan A will come, tan B will come plus 7 by 24. So, tan B is plus 7 by 24. Tan A is minus 4 by 3. Use tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A can be substituted. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts? Anybody in the even numbers total?
No, sir. IP6.
Okay. So everybody is ready to submit the homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are ready, sir.
Yajit, you are ready to submit the homework?
Sir.
Jacinth?
Yes, sir.
Many people videos are up. How many times we have to tell you? If you are in AS, everybody should be serious in all sections. How can you be in ASB and we have to run off you to turn on your videos? Everybody turn on your videos. Srilata, are you ready to submit homework? Even numbers 9?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mrudula? Mrudula, are you ready to submit homework? Means even numbers. Jyotirmai?
Yes, sir.
You completed all even numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now you want IP exercise, right?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I have a doubt, sir. How to find period, sir, a function?
How to
Find a period of a function.
find
Period of a function, sir.
period of a function? That is a separate topic. I told you to skip those questions already. Just 1 minute. I'm opening. Okay. Anyway, those who have less doubts, multiple submultiple angles. You can some more theory is there in another half an hour. Maybe I have to discuss. I'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. But you can start doing the mains even numbers. You have some idea about the formulas. Or you want to do exercise 60. Exercise 60 is about multiple submultiple angles. Just let me have a look. Yes. So this is 60. So yeah, this is 6D. Those who want to do exercise 60, they can do it. Otherwise, if any backlogs in 60, can complete. Okay. Just I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay. Then I'll clarify doubts. Just you can try some questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a few minutes.